I tried filming this yesterday, but my condition was so bad because I'm recovering from my cold. Hey, what are you doing? Wanna be Legos? He's not gonna have it. We're gonna start with the next bag, which is actually the third bag, and I have not mentioned what we're doing. We're gonna continue with this. We are starting with the front part of the camera, the lens. You guys can see, hopefully. Maybe I'll just building. What is it? Just suddenly went quiet. He loves plastic and he loves tape. Every time he sees it, he wants to bite it. I don't know why. I'm thinking if I should buy fruit or should I... Another hair. I'm thinking if I should buy fruit. Oh. I'm thinking if I should buy fruit or... Actually, that's the only option. I don't know why am I thinking for so long. This is looking very interesting. I'm not gonna lie, sometimes when I look at this, I'm confused. There's just so much parts. I'm at this. That's kind of suspicious. For a moment there, I thought I was missing something and I almost panicked. Am I supposed to attach it to anything? Hold on. But where do I put this? The edge? I think it's here. I hope I'm right. I'm so scared because I feel like why am I whispering? It actually looks a lot more complicated. From the diagram, it may not be very easy to ascertain what it means. How do I know which side is the correct side? Doesn't matter. A? Okay. I think I'm being too serious right now that I actually kind of forgot to talk. Some silence for you guys. 2, 3. Where does this one go? I'm guessing here. I forgot this one. Oh wow, okay. This is so cool. What is this? I'm confused. And then this comes in the other way around. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Is it possible? Is it like that? I'm gonna try. I'm so scared. Oh, it's possible. Okay. We had stickers, right? Oh. Okay, and this one. It's not attached yet. So yeah, add a bare teeth for nail. And we have 2 minutes to spare. Great job, everybody. It's starting to look like a camera. I'm actually quite fascinated. It feels so solid. I just hope I didn't do anything wrong because looking at this, if I did something wrong, I think I might rage. Stay tuned the next part and the last part of this vlog series. I hope you guys have been enjoying this as much as I have. See you guys. Take care. I love you all. Bye. Making it brighter, right through the gray.